Hi Sam. Today, we're going to learn the word
gestern,
Hi Alex. What does
gestern,
mean?
gestern,
means yesterday. It's quite useful in everyday conversation.
Oh, nice. Is there any other meaning for it?
While yesterday is the most common meaning, it can also refer to something that happened in the past in a more general sense. Just be careful, as it might be confused with
morgen,
which means tomorrow. Now, let's talk about the grammar.
gestern,
Is actually an adverb, so it doesn't have a gender or plural form.
So it only exists in one form.
Exactly. You wouldn't conjugate
gestern,
like a verb or change it like a noun. You just use it as is.
Can you give me an example of how to use it in a sentence?
Sure. You can say,
ich habe gestern gearbeitet.
which means I worked yesterday.
What about the past tense?
Good question. Since it's an adverb, it stays the same. You could say,
Gestern war es schön.
meaning yesterday was nice.
Where does the word
gestern,
come from?
It has its roots in Old High German, where it was
Gestern, gestern,
meaning the day before. Over time, it evolved into
gestern.
as we know it today.
That's really interesting. I love learning about the history of words.
It gives you a deeper understanding of the language, doesn't it? Now, let's break down the word.
Gestern,
Can't really be split into a prefix, root, and suffix.
So it's a standalone word.
Yes, exactly. But you can think of it as a building block for expressing past events.
That makes sense.
Let's look at some similar words. First, there's,
heute,
which means today. Then we have
morgen,
for tomorrow.
Those are all related to time, right?
Yes. Another example is
damals,
which means back then.
So they all deal with when things happen.
Exactly. Also, consider,
früher,
meaning earlier, and
später.
which means later. These words help us navigate time in conversation.
Got it.
Now, let's practice using
Gestern,
in real-life situations. Imagine you're talking about a meeting at work. You could say,
gestern hatten wir ein wichtiges Meeting.
which translates to yesterday, we had an important meeting.
Okay, let me try.
Gestern habe ich ein wichtiges Meeting gehabt.
Almost perfect. Just remember to say
hatten,
instead of.
habe,
Got it.
For another situation, think about chatting with a friend about a movie you saw. You might say,
gestern habe ich einen tollen Film gesehen.
which means yesterday, I saw a great movie.
Gestern habe ich einen tollen Film gesehen.
Excellent. Now, how about discussing your meals? You could say,
Gestern habe ich Pasta gekocht.
meaning yesterday, I cooked pasta.
Gestern habe ich Pasta gekocht.
Perfect. You're really getting the hang of it. Since
Gestern,
is an adverb, it doesn't have a specific gender. But remember that adverbs often don't change like nouns do.
So no special ending or anything to remember.
Right. Just keep in mind that it's always.
gestern,
Regarding usage,
gestern,
is informal. You might hear it in casual conversations and also in news reports.
Are there any common phrases with it?
Yes. You could say,
gestern war ich beschäftigt.
meaning I was busy yesterday. Another would be,
Gestern habe ich viel gelernt.
which means I learned a lot yesterday.
Those are really useful.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Gestern,
mean?
It means yesterday.
Correct. How do you use it in a sentence?
Gestern habe ich ein Buch gelesen.
Exactly. How would you say yesterday was a busy day?
Gestern war ein beschäftigter Tag.
Almost. Just remember it's.
gestern war ein beschäftigter Tag.
Right.
What's the origin of?
Gestern,
It comes from Old High German, right?
Yes. Last question, can you give me an example of a similar word?
Morgen.
For tomorrow.
Yes. You did great, Sam. To wrap it up, remember that
gestern,
means yesterday and is used to talk about past events.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it now.
You're welcome, Sam. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.